is Todd Bunis. I'm the CFO at Prinsco. Prinsco is a company where we manufacture corrugated plastic pipe. That corrugated plastic pipe really goes into managing water issues. So a large part of our business is drain tiling agricultural fields. Yeah, it was interesting because I've kind of looked at solar energy before. We have a facility out in California, which is extremely expensive for energy, but the upfront investment was fairly significant. So the payback from purely a financial perspective was pretty lengthy. So I went back to Geronimo and said, okay, I've kind of looked at this, but we really don't see an opportunity for an upfront investment. So if you have a solution that can help us through that, that might be worth exploring further. And that's where they said that's absolutely what they do, is they take away that upfront investment. That's what they provide. And then we really reap the benefit with no upfront investment. Granted, we don't get the whole savings, but relative to zero upfront investment, the savings can be fairly substantial. So by saving $50,000 a year in energy, we can invest a little bit more time and effort into efficiencies, invest in other areas that can drive savings in not just energy usage, but manage our scrap rates, how we manage our raw material consumption, the repairs necessary to maintain our equipment. So we can make some investments in other areas so we're not just increasing our cost of doing business, but we're using the savings to reinvest in continuing to drive improvement in our manufacturing process. Frankly, it ties into our business views. Subscribing to solar energy was fitting nicely into our, how do we help preserve the environment? The plastic pipe we make is, now we use about 2/3 recycled material as our raw material going into the manufacturing of that pipe. So trying to draw clean energy and renewable energy was kind of a natural connection into what we do in our business. Prinsco is a company that really cherishes their, I would say, their values. So I found Geronimo Energy was a really nice match to our values and the way we do business. Instead of trying to sell me on a, signing up, they really engaged in conversation and developed a relationship. I've had a couple other companies call me, and my response has been, I'm pretty happy with Geronimo.